back to my channel. How you guys doing today? We are making the fine fabric and we are going to use it to cut out gathered dress, and as you can see it's already folded in 4 pieces. This is it. So what we are going to do, we are going to cut the front and the back all together at once. So I'll go ahead now to take my length. My length here is 23 inches, so that is for my length, 23 inches. And then what I folded out is 12 inches. So we are going to cut all cut together at once. So now I will go ahead now to mark my neckline is 3 inches, and to bring down my neckline I will also mark it by 3 inches, and it's a round neck and curve it. So after that I will be marking the back neckline also by 1.5 inches and also curve it like this. So now I will go ahead now to slope my shoulder by ½ inch. So that is my ½ inch, and I will use my roller to roll it out like this. So I've done that. Remember what I folded is 12 inches. So this is what we are going to use it, because I'm going to cut it all together that it will form the sleeve. So from my chest line, that is from the shoulder to my chest line, I will be marking 8 inches, and then on that line, that's how I will place my tape to get my bust. My bust here that I'm having is 42 inches. 42 inches divided by 4, that will give us 10.5 inches. So I will mark my 10.5 inches like this and added 1.5 inches. So then I want it to be free. So what I folded there is that 12 inches. So it's the 12 inches that now we mark. So we just bring it like this, and just connect it together. So I hope you understand what we are doing. So you just connect it together like this. As you can see, we have cut mark out the front and the back just for us now to cut it out. So then I'll go ahead now to cut. I'll start from the neckline like this and cut it out. So this arm, I'm doing it now, and this is how you can do your own when making your own. So then I will be cutting the down part of it now. Please subscribe and watch this video down to the end. If you have not subscribed, do that please, and also share it to others so that they can see and watch. So you can see how it is now. So this is how I'm going to leave it like this. So coming to the front neckline, I will be pulling the back neckline like this. Then let me remove it, pull it like this. Then to cut the front neckline, this I'm going to following the chalk that will mark out. So this is the neckline for the front. So this is how it should be. You can see we've cut it out now. So then the next step now is to go and join it together, and now come and cut our gathers and then take it to the machine, also stitch it. So this is our primary fabric that we are going to use to complete our dress, and the width or the length that we have to complete it is 6 inches. So 6 inches, and the body that we are using, that the fabric, the measurement is 1.5 yard that we are going to use to gather it. You can see, so it's more than even 1.5, because this one is almost 35. So almost 2 years that we are going to use to gather it. So I will take it to the machine now to go and run a straight line on it, and then come and gather it, and I'll also show you how to do that. I'm going to run my stitch, and I will drag in it now, and I will do it gently so that it will not cut, so that we can be able to achieve our gathers. So these are, you should do your own when making your own. So please subscribe to my channel, and please watch my video down to the end, and also share it out for others to see. So this is how our gather is formed now. So now I will go and stitch it to the main dress so that we complete our dress now. So I'm going to join I showed that together. So what I will do now is to join the side by ½ inch down, and also join it from the armhole side from half with ½ inch down, and we will now face our gathers. My gather dress is ready to wear out. As you can see, very lovely. You can see the gathers how it came out well. So please subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end. If you don't understand how we go about it, watch it again, and also share it to others so that they too can see and learn. Comment. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.